Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology. Today we are just going to see a lecture series in the subject Internet of Things. First, let us see a small introduction about the Internet of Things, that is called as IoT. Let us see how does IoT works. First, an IoT system works through the real-time collection and exchange of data. Here, an IoT system, it has three components. First is your cloud, then your sensors, then end devices. The cloud, it is mainly used to store your data, whereas in sensors, sensor data, sender, circuit, all these are used in sensors. Whereas in the end user, it consists of end devices and the controlling circuits. Next is the accumulator. This is a working of an IoT. Now let us see what is an IoT specialist. What should an IoT specialist should know? First of all, whenever if you want to become an IoT specialist, you should be clear about the cloud computing, artificial intelligence, robotics, embedded systems, and electronic knowledges. With all these things, and as well as the programmer, all these things must be known by an IoT specialist. Now let us see an example that Venkat in India, he want to access, or we want to control the washing machine which is in USA. For this, the control, what are all the things have been used is first is electronic knowledge. First, we should know about the electronic knowledge, that is your remote process. Next, we should know the embedded system. What are all the processes in the embedded system? We should have knowledge about the cloud computing, and then artificial intelligence, and then finally robotics, and we should know the programmer for controlling this washing machine. If you know all these things, if you're good in all these field, then you will become an IoT specialist. Next, coming to applications of IoT. In the case of IoT, it mainly used in IoT in everyday life, IoT in healthcare, IoT in smart city, IoT in agriculture, IoT in industrial automation, IoT in disaster management. Let us see in detail. First of all, IoT in everyday life. Everyday life, it is mainly used in flight services, online shopping, wearable technologies. Then smartphones, we will use IoT. Vehicles, we will use IoT. Then home lighting, we will use IoT. And homes and appliances, we will use IoT. And then finally, music, we will use IoT. Personal computers, we will use IoT, and analytics, we will use IoT. Next, coming to IoT healthcare. In the case of IoT healthcare, just some of the solutions that is provided by IoTs are IoT mainly provides a real-time data. It mainly used for providing us real-time data, and IoT makes devices smarter, providing the real-time data in which it makes devices smarter. Then IoT provides for superior analytics. In the case of analysis, it's also used in IoT healthcare. Medical patients analysis, their records will be analyzed through this IoT. Next, coming to IoT in smart cities. In the case of smart cities, it is mainly used for problems faced by the cities, that is waste control management, then traffic management, then water resource management, housing issues, pollutions. All these are the problems that comes under the smart cities, in which the IoT can solve all these problems at a time. Next, coming to the agriculture. In the case of an agriculture, it is mainly provides solutions such as precision farming. Here it includes the precision farming, smart irrigation, then smart greenhouse. All these things, this IoT will help in and provide a solution in which it mainly here the sensors, that is 1, 2, 1, 3, and number of sensors will be used in this agriculture process. Help of these, it will provide a proper solution. Next, coming to IoT and industrial automation. In the case of industrial automation, it mainly provides automation, quality control, cost efficiency, and security. All these things are provided by the IoT for the industrial automation optimization and fine saving, quality control, and inventory management, then cost efficiency and labor, security and monitoring. Thank you for. Next is your IoT in disaster management. In the case of disaster management, it is mainly used for prediction purpose, preparedness purpose, response, and recovery. All these steps will be done in this IoT. That is, it has high pollution density, poor evaluation infrastructure. Then it exposes to service weather conditions. Thank you.